Well, I'm set up at the night gig Friday. It's rather nice today, but they're calling for some showers. They got some clouds, but overall it's pretty nice. It's about 60. Can't complain about that. I'm just waiting. Let me see how it goes. Give me a cup of coffee and a sandwich, a little breakfast. I'll be good to go. Well, like I told you before, this is a pocket knife place. First knife of the day is a benchmade. It says technical support. No, technical Robbie, whatever the hell that is. I don't believe this camera won't zoom in like that. Oh, that's better though. I just had to back it off a little ways. I'm using my older camera. It works, I think, better, but it's just a little more particular. Stand by. We got action. A little more action. Got a big chef's knife finally. Got a Carver Hall fillet knife. Getting cloudy over here now. You can't see very good. This is a flexible baby. And I got a Wusthof. The little one is a Wusthof, and the bigger one is a Chicago Cutlery. Same guy. Okay, get back to you. Damn, action, more action. I'm supposed to leave. Well, I'm not supposed to leave at 2, but I usually work till 2. And a guy just brought me a big Chicago Cutlery, chef's knife. And a nice fancy Chicago Cutlery case. Then he brought me another Chicago Cutlery, like a chef's knife with serrations at the front. It's getting dark out here, and this weather's really changed. It got cold again. Look how gray it is, almost like the afternoon. And then he brought me some type of, I guess it's an everyday carry EDC knife. I never seen one like it. I can't tell what kind of markings on it or anything. Looked like it had something stamped there long ago, but you can't make it out. But it's a little short, squatty baby. Action at the fair. Stand by. I don't know what kind of steel's in this little funny looking knife, buddy, but she's hard. I mean, hard going here with the wicked edge. I've been on 50s for 5 minutes. Woo, come on, baby. Canned onion.
Yep.
What kind of steel you say it was?
It's a KX700.
KX700.
XP.
XP. I've never seen one of these. It's got some kind of name right there, but I can't quite make it out. Something. Oh, that's the canned onion. I can see it now. Look what I find when I get home. A 1945 era Gurkha. I've never seen an old one, a real one. I've seen some in the stores, at the gift shops and novelty stuff. This one says K46. So I put that in eBay. There's one on eBay just closed for 212 bucks. British Army Indian Gurkha. She's a little, has some rust, but she's really sharp. God wants me to clean her up some if I can. I can clean her up some, put a little shinier edge on her, but man, she's like sharp. I'm telling you. I had never touched one of these before, real before. My first ever Gurker. You never know what's going to show up at your door. In this business, it's a cool taquito though.